Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's me, Muhammad Zuhair Khan. Today we have with the second week of Mathematics 2, and it's a lecture 2. So I will revise you because this topic was related to the previous lecture, the previous week. That was the solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. So we studied the factorization of two terms equation or single term equations. Today I will tell you in this video that how you can get the solution set by using the factorization method if possible. Let me tell you one thing, that it is not necessary that every quadratic equation should be factorized. So that's why if there is a possibility of factorization, so we will make the factors and we can get the solution set. If there isn't any possibility, then you cannot find out the solution set by using factorization method. That's why we will study in the upcoming classes the factorization of the solution of quadratic equation by completing square method as well as quadratic formula. But today, let me tell you about the solution of quadratic equation by factorization method in case if we have the three terms expression. For three terms expression, one thing needs to understand that if you have the equation in the form of x square plus 6x equal to, suppose, minus 8. So first you need to convert it into the standard form. The standard form says ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is basically the standard form. Means that the right hand side should be equal to 0. So first you have to convert these terms to another side, like this x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now you can make the factors. So in case if we have three terms, so what we will do first? First you will multiply the square term with the constant term. The square term with the constant term. After the multiplication of these two terms, you will write that what is it's giving us 8 multiplied by x square, so it's giving us 8x square. After that, you will make two parts of the midterm. Two parts. You will convert the midterm into two parts, into two pieces. The pieces, the addition of those pieces should give you again, the addition or the subtraction of those pieces should give you again the same term. And the multiplication of those pieces should give you the multiplied form of the first and the last one. Second, ये रकम बदो हिस्सों तकसीम में है. अगर मुस्बत या मनफी में शाऊ दो हिस्सा वापस ई टर्म में है. व अगर मल्टीप्लाई में शागा ज़रब में शान बाइट बराबर ई में शान. Now, if we multiply them, so we are getting 8x square. If we add them, so we are getting 6x. Beside this, there is no way to make the factors. So 6 will be divided in two portions. One is 2, another is 4. If we add them, so you will get 6x. If you multiply them, so you will get 8x square. So you will convert the three-term equation into four-term equation. Now you will make the pairs, these two and these two. Now what is common in these two? X. You will take x common. What will remain? X plus 4. And from here, what is common? 2 common. So take 2 common from these two terms. What will remain? X plus 4. These two factors should be same. If they are not same, it means your factorization is wrong. So after getting the same factors, then take common one of them from these two. Take x plus 4 and x plus 4 common. What will remain? X plus 2. So here you will write the next factor. So by this way you can factorize the three terms expression into these two factors. After that, if the factors are equal to 0, it means separately you can take it equal to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So shift 4 to another side, so it will become x minus 4. And here shift 2 to another side, so it will become x equal to minus 2. So minus 4 and minus 2 will be the solution set. Look at the another example. If we multiply these two, so we will get what? 35x square. Make two parts of 12 and 12. The addition of those parts should give you 12x. The multiplication of those parts should give you 35x square. Look at the first term will remain unchanged, x square. 5 plus 5x and plus 7x and plus 35 equal to 0. Look at 5x plus 7x, 12x. 5x multiplied by 7x, 35x square. Now what is common in these two? X. What will remain? X plus 5. What is common in these two? 7. So plus 7. What will remain? X plus 5. 7 are 35, so 5. Now from these two, what is common? X plus 5. What will remain? X plus 7 equal to 0. So x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 7 equal to 0. So here you are getting minus 5 and here x equal to minus 7. So solution set will become minus 5 and minus 7. By this way you can find out the solution set by using this method. If you have the three terms expression, I will give you a few examples and you will try. In assignment, I will give you the examples related to this method. Thank you very much.